How to change Twitter account password. So if you want to change your Twitter account password, then first of all you have to open up your Twitter application. And after opening your Twitter, make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, you can go to your profile, which is on the upper left corner. And then here on the bottom, you will have settings and support. Tap on settings and support. Scroll down and you will find settings and privacy. Simply tap on that. And now you will have a bunch of options. So if you want to change your password, you have to tap on your account. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now you will have 4 options. You can simply go to the second option, which says change your password. And then here you have to enter your current password on the first blank. And on the next blank, you have to create your new password. And the new password must have at least 8 characters. And then on the last blank, you have to re-enter your new password, like you have to confirm your new password. And then you can tap on update password. And that's it. That's how you change your password on Twitter account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.